Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and I'm here to teach you some Hakka.Well, actually, no. I'm not the teacher. Alice is the teacher. I'm just the student. 我只是学生。
學生。
學生。
我係先生。
我係學生 ，all right.
唔係啊，你們係先生。
沒有啦，沒有你，我真的還是不行，真的啊。And hopefully you can learn something here too. 其實現在的社會啊，大家都是用 email 很多，電子郵件啊。比較多，可是偶爾還是會寫信，比較有味道哈。
對，
對不對 ？So the first term we're going to teach is 信件 which is letter, mail.
新的。
新的哦，新的信件吗？新的不是哦，新的就是信件哦。
对呀。
哦，所以信給新的。
對。Q 為新的。
OK， 新的 ，OK，that means mail，OK，比如說我就說我今天收到一封信 ，I got mail today。
我今本日收到一封信的。
收到一封信的 ，OK，that means you've got mail，all right？ 可是现在有时候我们会收到，比如说管理员会说，挂号哦，要来签一下这样子 ，OK？Sometimes you receive registered mail. How do you say that？ 挂号信。
挂号信。
挂号信 ，OK， that's registered mail. Or if it's just regular mail， 平信。
普通信。
哦，就普通信。对。哦 ，OK， that's regular mail， 普通信 ，OK？Let's say you need to go to the post office. You're gonna send mail，OK？ 要寄信。
寄信的。
寄信的 ，OK， 信的 again is mail， 寄 is to send it， all right， 寄信他去郵局寄信了。
寄去郵局寄信的。
寄去郵局寄信的 ，that means she went to the post office to mail some things， all right？要寄信一定要有信封，除非是明信片，对不对啊？所以 the envelope，all right， 信封怎么说呢？
信封。
信封 ，all right，that's the envelope。
那信封的海陆腔，信封。
That's right. We always like to teach you a different dialect on certain terms. So this is a different dialect for envelope. 我要買信封和郵票 I gotta buy some envelopes and some stamps. All right. 對啊，順便把郵票也叫出來。
Okay. 郵票。
郵票。All right. So that's stamp. And let's make a sentence. 我要買信封和郵票 I'm gonna buy some envelopes and some stamps.
我愛買信封留郵票。
我愛買信封留郵票 All right, so there you go. Some regular mail Hakka for you right here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
漢字4章來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.